Greetings. Me nah smile up we don't know today. Cause that one is serious bad. So if you know want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just go and click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, just click the subscribe button for me and the notification bell too. Cause you not go want miss none of what I go on right here so. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthian them, chapter 5, from verse 1 to verse 13. Now, people come tell me say you have some people amongst you where they do all kind of sex sin. The sin them where them a do so bad that not even the people them when don't know God would have do them. Me a hear about how one man all asleep with them stepmother. And uno a boast about uno self. Uno not think so uno should not end down uno head in a shame and a ball. Uno think so uno should have kick out the one them where do they sitting there. Even though me not dead, my spirit dead we don't know. And me don't judge the one them where take part in all kind of sex sin. Me judge them and me tell you already when if you do with them. Like say, me did dead with uno. When uno gather together and my spirit dead with uno, with the right and the power where the Lord Jesus Christ give we, uno fi hand over the one them where do all kind of sex sin to Satan. Hand them over so that Satan can mash them up. That are the only way them will change them ways and turn away from sin. And when them turn away from sin and get saved, God now go punish them when him come back to judge the world. Uno no fe bossy. And a good something that. Uno no know say only one little bit of yeast you need to make the whole of the dough swell up. Uno must get rid of all of the sin them where they in uno life. Just like how we dash away all yeast. Uno must get rid of it so that uno can come in like fresh dough. We now no yeast in it. Cause that uno really fi be since God make uno new when uno believe in a Jesus. Cause Jesus dead fi set we free. Him coming just like the baby sheep where them did kill a Passover time. So, no make we celebrate the Passover festival with all yeast. Yeast we full up of bad mind and wickedness. Make we celebrate it with bread when no yeast. The bread we good and clean. In the letter when me did write to no, me did tell you say you no fi have nothing to do with people where take part in and no kind of sex sin. When me say so, me never did that talk about the people them when no believe in a God. A true say some of them people they take part in a sex sin, and some of them greedy. Some of the people when no believe in a God, thief other people sitting them, and some of them worship all kind of false God. But if I did them did that talk, uno couldn't live nowhere. Uno would have left that world, yeah. When me did write to know, me did a talk about people we say them believe in a God. No have nothing to do with nobody we say them a God pick me, but I take part in all kind of sex sin. No have nothing to do with them if them want it. Thief other people sitting them, worship false God, tell lie or drink too much. Not even eat with them people there. Cause what business me have I judge people when I believe in a God? I know the people who believe in a God if we judge. God will judge the people when I believe in a him. Run the wicked people them from amongst you. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.